Hey guys, and welcome to your second JavaScript tutorial for beginners. In this tutorial, we're going to discuss types and variables. So data types inside of JavaScript come essentially in three types that we need to know. And the first one is a string. And a string is any text that we put inside a quote. So this is our text, always goes inside of a quote. So again, a string is text, and we show that by putting it inside of a quote. The second one is a number, and a number could be 5 or 10 or 15 or 20 or any number, and a number doesn't go inside of a quote, and JavaScript immediately knows that that is going to be a number. The last type that we're going to learn is the true or the false statement. So an or here, we actually write this way, and we say true or false. And true or false is going to be our Boolean statement, and it's just true or false and allows us to use logic inside of our code. So that's types inside of JavaScript. Now let's go a little bit into variables. A variable is a placeholder for data inside of our JavaScript. So if we do var myColor, and we declare a variable by saying variable myColor and semicolon end statements in JavaScript, and then we say myColor equals blue, and then we do document.write blue myColor, and we refresh this, we say it doesn't work. And why doesn't it work? Because we did not declare this as a string. Blue is a string, and strings are always in quotes like we just mentioned 10 seconds ago. So now we're going to refresh it, and it comes out as blue. The next one we're going to do is var myNumber. We're going to declare the variable, and now we're going to assign the variable myNumber equals 5, and then we're going to do document, well, not New York number, my number. And then we're going to do document.write. And if you remember, we learned about the break tag inside of HTML. So we're going to do break plus my number. And we get 5. And lastly, let's play with a Boolean. And we'll say var my statement, we're going to declare it, and then we're going to assign my statement is equal to true, and we're going to say document.write br plus my statement. And we're going to refresh it, and it did not work because we forgot the first angled bracket in br. And here we have true under 5 and 5 under blue. So that's the basic idea behind a variable. And remember, what we're doing is first we declare it, and then we assign it. And here, just for testing, we're printing it to show that it works. But there's a faster way of doing it. And if you see here, we have var myColor. But what if we want to do it even faster in just one statement, and we didn't want to have to also declare it and have to also assign it every time? Well, we could declare it and assign it in one sentence by doing var myColor equals blue. And here we also declared it and also assigned it in the same statement. So if we refresh it now, you see it still works. So that's the basics for variables and types in JavaScript. In the next video, we're going to get into more depth in programming inside of JavaScript.